Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the one big beautiful bill and how it affects most taxpayers. The first one is that the bill makes current all the current tax brackets and all the current standard deductions permanent. Okay, so it does not go back to prior years. Number two, for no tax on tips and no tax on overtime, there's some good news. This will allow up to $25,000 deduction for tip income and up to $12,500 for overtime pay. Not exactly or completely tax-free. However, the deduction lowers the taxable income, which means a smaller tax bill. This begins in 2025 and it runs through 2028. So if you are age 65 or older, let's talk about no tax on Social Security. This is how it's done. You'll receive a new what's called a senior bonus deduction. It's $6,000 for individuals and $12,000 for married couples. This deduction phases out at higher incomes, but for many retirees, it may completely eliminate federal income tax on Social Security benefits. Number four, you can now deduct interest paid on car loans up to $10,000. However, the car must be assembled in the U.S., and this applies for loans on vehicles bought between 2025 and 2028. So don't bring me in your tax documents from your vehicle that you bought in 2023. The other one is for people that live in states that have state income tax. For those in these high tax states, the SALT deduction, which limits how much of state and local taxes you can deduct, has been raised from $10,000 to $40,000 for filers. Six is the child tax credit has been bumped up to $2,200 per child, and now it adjusts for inflation. There's also what's called a new tax-free account. It's called the Trump account that will give you $1,000 to every child born between 2025 and 2028. This is $1,000 that's going to be deposited into this account. How that's done or when it's done, I have no idea, but it's called the Trump account. And lastly, is the 529 College Savings Plan. Now covers expenses from K through 12. It covers tutoring, it covers vocational training, and health savings accounts now allow for concierge medicine and telehealth. So that's all.